Hi guys! Hi everyone! I'm back in my channel. I'm now here in Las Vegas. Las Vegas here in Macau, the Venetian. So guys, itutour ko po kayo kasi actually nakita ko na to, the true Las Vegas, Venetian in Las Vegas of course. So makikita natin yung kanilang sky. Akala mo totoong sky? No. That is artificial. So, paintings yan. So, nasa loob kami ng building. Ang tawag nito ay Venetian Place. So, akala natin, totoong sky. So, okay guys, let's go there and ipakita ko pa sa inyo. Okay guys, we're here now sa loob mismo ng Venetian. So, ang ganda ng sky, ano, akala mo talagang real sky. That's only a painting. So, it's so amazing. So, actually guys, ito po pareho to sa Las Vegas, USA. 2 times na po ako nakarating doon. So, curious din po ako dito. Nagpunta ako. So, ano ba yung tsura din ng kanilang Venetian? It's still the same. So, makikita natin sa loob mga shops, mga signature shops like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and lahat ng mga mamahalin na shops dito. So, if you want, you can buy here. If you have money, why not? So, here we are guys. Papunta kami sa taas. We just go around here in this place. Actually, first time here now in Macau, kasama ko mga kapatid ko. And, you know, ayan po kami guys. Ayan, we're just, go around. And, konti na lang po ang tao kasi medyo late na kami dito nakarating sa, dito sa place na to. So, this, Venetian, yes. So, here we are, guys. Di ba? Ang ganda sa loob. Okay. So, nagpunta kami, before the corona, I was there with my mom and my sister, so, sa US. So, parang still the same ang kanyang, pero medyo maliit ito ng konti. So, here we are. So, marami din mga, of course, mga foreigners na pupunta dito. Karamihan kasi dito din mga, actually, Macau is a part to ng China, so of course maraming Chinese. Hindi sila marunong dito mag-English. So sometimes nag-a-ask kami where is the place, where's the gano'n. Sasabihin sa inyo na hindi namin alam. But anyway, okay lang kami kasi madali lang naman hanapin sa Google kung anong gusto mong hanapin. So this is the place guys, so napakalaki. Kita natin sa loob. This is also the hotel. Yes. So tingnan natin guys. So hope you like it my video. I hope you enjoy watching my video, guys. So, tingnan natin. Okay. Yeah, my Victoria's Secret and Victoria's Secret shop, Gucci, Versace, Swatch. Kala mo totoo, no? Naalala ko si Mama. Pumunta tayo. Guys, we're enjoying walking in this place, go around and tingnan yung mga magagandang shops. Yan, may Swarovski, meron dyan Victoria's Secret. So actually, yun, patapos na ko-close na. Pero mas gusto namin kasi kunti na lang ang tao. So medyo... Ayan guys, thank you for watching my video and hope you like it. And hope to see you again for my next vlog. And that is Jana. We're playing here and we're laughing, we're dancing. Thank you guys for watching. Bye! Not like in Las Vegas, nakadalawang beses po ako. So, let's go there at tingnan natin yung view dito po na Little Las Vegas here in Hong Kong. Yay! Okay, let's go. Bakit ha Prada mga Chinese doon? Ang doon.
Ah, Chinese calendar.
Ay, oo. Ako snake. Ayan. Ganda. Bakit ha Prada mo Chinese ganda? Ang ganda. Halika, hoy, halika dito. Sige na, mula dito. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you like it, watching my travel 2024 at Macau with my family. Thank you for watching. See you more. Bye.